Man, I don't know. Yeah, just with a little bit of speed, I hope so. Okay, okay. Stop it. That's it. Camera check. Yes. Okay, first proper bike drop. That was too slippery. That was too slippery. So I'm fine. I just hurt a little bit my left foot, but I guess not too bad. Hi guys, I'm Matthias on Cars and Bikes. I'm riding my bike from Germany to Thailand, and I warmly invite you to visit me on this amazing journey. I'll show you the good, the bad. I'll show you everything that happens to me on my way. Okay guys, leaving now Ankara in direction of Göreme, and if you can see there, this is Dennis and Guinness, the dog. Ciao ciao, thank you, Saul. Thank you, bye bye. So, leaving Ankara, capital of Turkey, and now heading in direction of the famous region Cappadocia to the city Göreme. I have a booking in Göreme for the next 3 nights to explore beautiful Cappadocia. Shadow to stop. It's always good. Always good if you can stop in the shadow of a nice tree, for example. See the lake over there? It looks nice. And also here, these rocks look very nice. What is this sound here? I don't know. Now it's the sound of the cars, but Can you hear that? Let's try go there and left, and let's try to reach this lake. Why not? Come on. A bit bumpy. A bit bumpy. Yeah, why not here? Actually, that was the sound I heard before. Can you hear it now? It's the diesel generator for a water pump to water these fields. Let's have a look. Wow. Yes, beautiful, I like it. But I guess not much more to see. Maybe over there. Let's turn and go back to the street. In this very moment I had no clue that there was much more to happen just around the next corner. I go here. Yes, yes we can. Yes we can. Whoa. Mega muddy. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Why is like this? Why you do this? Why you do this to me? I think we can go, yes, but honestly, man, I don't know. Yeah, just with a little bit of speed, I hope so. Okay, okay. Stop it. That's it. Camera check. Yes. Okay, first proper bike drop. That was too slippery. That was too slippery. So I'm fine. I just hurt a little bit my left foot, but I guess not too bad. I think it's not too bad. But I think, what is this? Man, how can I get up this again now? Get up the bike and get out of the dirt. Let's try. Oh man, this is hard. Man, oh, just don't do like this. Don't do like this. Man, this is. Fuck! Oh, fuck! Whoa! This is. Oh, I think I cannot get this out all of myself. I think I cannot. It's just stuck there. I think it's just stuck there. I might. Oh, maybe can move it. Move it. Guys, really don't know what I'm doing here, but Need to get this out again, and then maybe I just put the gear off so it's in neutral like this. And can I push it backwards? I don't know if I can do that. Maybe can. Where can I hold? Can I hold here and here? Huh. Huh. Huh. Huh. Now it's like you have to go straight. My little bike. You have to go straight like. Man, it's just going back again. Oh God, it's so deep. I think I cannot do it like this. Try one more. No. No. No, no, no, no, no. It's so stuck. You see, it holds itself. No, it doesn't. I have to try different approach. You know, I will try to let it down here on the boxer motor, to let it down and get the front wheel out of this ugly mud there, and maybe try to turn like this. I don't know, man. Man, what is this? Oh, wow, this is hard. Get up here. Come on, little lady, turn. Wow, it's hot now. You see, I have all the clothes. It's hot. Look at this. Why is like this? Why is like this? Man. Maybe turn, save some battery. Can I turn like this? Can I turn? I don't know. Can I just... Whoa! No, no, no. No, no, no. I don't know. Can I turn here? Oh, man! Man, this is going so tough. I have to get rid of my clothes. First of all, drink a bit. Drink. Hydrate. And I get rid of my clothes now. Well, at least the jacket and stuff, and man, it's so hot. It's so hot. Wow. Can put this here. But it reminds me on an episode of The Long Way Round. I just quote, "It's a beautiful place to crash, Claudio." So actually, Matthias, it's a beautiful place to crash here. Why not? Let's see how we can get this sorted. I have an idea how to try next, but I don't know if it works. Let's try. And maybe I just put the helmet. Wait a moment. Can you see, like, this, I don't know. Can you see the bike? Yes, I think you can see the bike. Okay, guys, let's try. Man, let's try. I have to get something in this hole. But it's only... I would prefer some stones or wood, but it's only like dirt. Only like the dirt. Oh, this is so muddy. Fuck. Oh, this is so muddy. Maybe I can take this one inside here. Wow. Like this. And I can build like this. Maybe go out of here. Man, this is so muddy. What is it? Oh no, just slipped again like over. Oh, I lost my finger. Oh no, see that? I lost. Oh man. Man, it's not good. It's not good. I lost my blinker glass. See that? Put that here. Need to fix this later. Man, how is this going? Why is like this? Okay, new battery, check. Let's see how this goes. Third try. Did a bit of preparation, and with some prayers of the gods, actually I don't care which god, any god is fine for me. Let's try. Oh, fuck. I need preparation. fuck. Oh no! The handlebar moved. Oh no, no, no, this is not good. Oh man. You see, my whole handlebar just moved now. Just moved. It's not good. Cannot do like this. Man. How to do? It's properly. Deep down there. I don't know. Man. Maybe I just take my key. I don't know. Take the camera. Actually, guys, and take the camera. This is going too tough. This is going too tough. I just go. Can I clean you a bit? I don't know. Can you see better like this? I will go over there. Like, I think it's not far. There was a man 15 minutes before when I came here. There was a man, and I will have a look if I can find him again. And oh, this is so muddy. I knew this was gonna be tricky. Somehow I did know, but actually that part was good. That part was good, and I slipped. You can see, really good. I just slipped here. I came like this and just smashed like this, crashed like this. Man, okay, come on, let's check. Let's see if we can find some help. I hope so. I hope so. But anyway, beautiful here. Look at it. Man, this is not good. This is not good. This farmer was here on his field and his car was there. And both are gone. Both are gone now. So I guess I will try to go. You see this bridge is a road. Maybe you see the car going there. So that's not so far from my crash place. Maybe I can stop a car and beg for some help. So that's the road. My crashed bike is, I think it's small on the iPhone. I think, yeah, here. And that's again this road. And actually nobody's stopping. There's already like 15 or 20 cars went by. I always try to stop them, but I couldn't so far. Okay guys, I was up to the road, was there like 15-20 minutes, and about 40 cars just passed by. Nobody was stopping, and I decided before I'm gonna lose my belief in humanity, you know, my belief in the good heart of the people and humanity. With all these cars passing by, nobody stopping. I just stopped to try stopping cars, and I try a bit more on my own here. It's just so heavy. It's just so heavy. It's just so heavy. Cannot turn. Oh, this is hot. the right way, like this, I know that, but my handlebar is not fixed enough. Just the screws are moving. Man, what is this? Man, finally. Can you come? Can you help? The bike is stuck. I cannot get out. And go to Thailand. But this is so heavy, Try it. Maybe I go here and you go here. Try up. Okay. Stop. And now the heavy part is. Okay, more. Stop. Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, just thank you. Oh, thank you very much. I think I can now. You see, I make a camera, okay? So thank you. Yeah, on the helmet normally. Yeah.
Camera.
So camera. So thank you very much. Thank you. This guy helped me. Perfect. Helped me out of this one. Yeah, thank you so much. There you see, my hero is just disappearing. It's just this guy going up the road again with, I guess, this tractor here. You see my finger shaking, still shaking. Man, he was my rescue. And he just stopped on the road when he saw me working here in this ugly, slippery. Okay. Man, luckily, it's just this. I have to fix this, but the light is still working. The blinking light is still working. Just fix the plastics. I will do it in the shadows, or I will do it later on. And actually what I was talking about is these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not tight enough. So as I learned before my journey, actually on YouTube videos, that how to get up this heavy bike best is you grab it here. You grab here and you put, like, if it's on this side down, on the left side down, you go like this until max, like this, lock, and then you put both hands here, and then you have the best Hebel. What is this in English? You know, you have the best angle, or it's just the best position to get this heavy bike up again. You do it here. And when I pulled here as strong as I could, and the bike slowly started to move in this sticky mud, then it just, the whole handlebar, this whole angle just turned. It just flipped over and started to touch here some delicate parts, the windshield and stuff, and so that's not good. So I need to get this fixed very soon, because this is really not okay. This is really not okay. They don't have the right, how to say, Drehmoment, torque. They are not fixed with the correct torque, man. And I got to BMW service for 2 years, for many times, and I spent thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of euros, and I did not fix these screws, never, ever, once, never check, man. This was really going tough. This was really going tough. It took me about minimum an hour to get the bike out of the dirt with some very nice help from a Turkish farmer. But now I am that exhausted. Still 200 kilometers left to Göreme, but I'm now in the shadow, in the rescuing shadow of a little nice tree, and I'll take a little rest now and push on then to Göreme, Cappadocia. They have everything. Have a look first. Okay, so this looks good. I guess I can wash my front wheel a bit because I didn't tell you yet, as my front wheel is very muddy, dirty, and with big fat mud, clumpy mud. It has in German Unwucht. So if it's turning, if you go faster, it's like rattling, it's shaking the whole bike, because there is this mud here and there, and it's like it's not going round so well, the wheel. So I have to clean that. But first I'll get some fuel. Over there. I just had a nice chai over there, a bit to relax and recover. So now it's another 120 kilometers to Göreme, my goal for today in Cappadocia. Let's go. Different landscape here. This reminds me a bit of the Tuscany in Italy. It really does. Awesome. Amazing view. Quick look here if we can go up this hill. I don't know, I hope so. Yes, sir. Yes. And have a look at this amazing view. Just awesome nature here. Man, does this look nice. I guess this one is the viewpoint. Or it's the helicopter landing platform. I'll call it a viewpoint for now. I'll call it. Whoa! No, I guess it's the Efes. The Efes beer drinking point. You know, Efes is the Turkey local beer, which by the way I like a lot. Put the right picture perfect here. Maybe. And can I put it? Yeah. Should be okay. Whoa, look at this. Look at this place. Look at this place. Whoa. Yes. Sorry, it's very, very windy here, but it is as it is. But it's beautiful. I just discovered something bad. I don't like, I show you. But this does not come from my crash. This does not come from my crash. By the way, in the meanwhile, I got my front wheel cleaned, washed. But can you see that? Earlier this day, I hit a giant pothole. I don't know if you can see that because I cannot see the monitor of the camera very good because of the sun. But it's like here. So my rim is a bit out of shape. I don't like that so much. Let's see what we can do about that. I think for now it's okay. Nice lake. These guys sitting in front of the tractor, they just waved me I should come to them. So I just stopped and turned. Selam. Selam. Hello. Thai. Oh, okay. Okay. One moment. Okay.
Biz de bulamadık ki abi önce.
Vallahi.
Vallahi.
Ya burada bir adı Ömer mi? Osman mı?
Burada Murat var bir tane.
Murat var, Sedat var.
Şurada kim var?
Bunlar satıyor.
Ya şöyle şeyin altına koymuş. 200 bayramdan evvel aradık. 200 küsür tane oldu dedi. Bir daha toplayacağım 300 küsür olur dedi. İyi o da bizim işimizi görür dedi arkadaş. Bir de benim birader de almış. Bir de senin adamdan. İyi oldu.
Instagram. Instagram. Sen mi kullanıyorsun?
Instagram. You can. Yeah, Instagram, YouTube. You can.
Takip atarım.
Yeah.
Kurban gidiyorum. Var mı isteğin vardı?
İşte onun yok. Şöyle çek ya.
Sen yana gidiyorsun abi.
Ben ben çata gidiyorum.
Şöyle gireceksin değil mi?
Girerim
Bir yere kalkalım o zaman. Sana zahmet olmazsa.
Jigs var hadi. 4 ayağı.
Oradan geçeceğim veya çarşıdan geçeceğim.
Yeah.
Aynı kilometre. Gelme.
Şunu mu çekiyor burası ya?
He.
And while these guys were checking out my Instagram profile, I was enjoying a nice cold Coke. Cappadocia starting! Look at this! Crazy! When the sun is setting slowly and you have the water and the reflections of the sun, I really love this, to see this. So now it's 12 kilometers left to Göreme, which is my goal for today. So I should be there very soon. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Just awesome. Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Check camera, check. This guy just showed me very friendly that it's no problem and I can go up this way with my motorbike. I will try. Wow, this is amazing. Just 4 kilometers from my hotel. Battery very empty again. I hope it will. Oh my god, this is loose sand. This is really loose sand, man. Whoa. But this world, man, look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. But it's really loose sand. I really don't want to drop my bike the second time today. And this way looks like I would drop it, maybe. Look at this. Look at this. Man. Okay, try to turn here. Very careful. Try to turn here very carefully. can go. Look at this. Man, is this amazing. Wow. Try and stop the bike here for a photo. Try that. Just try. Stop the camera. So maybe I have 1 or 2 more shots for you before the battery dies. But look at this. Just wow.
A few seconds later, my last camera battery died. So this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, that was it. Peace out, and as always guys, goodbye.
See that? Like this. Like this. I don't know where the camera is. Like beautiful.